Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, you guessed it, I got the iWatch Series 7 Midnight Black Sports Edition. It was hard to get. It's the most selling watch right now. I got it. Tomorrow I'm going to do the unboxing of the iPhone because it says it's coming tomorrow from T-Mobile. And yeah, let's do the unboxing and see what it brings. Like Apple, they're very fancy with their unboxings. So it has this little flappy flap. I don't know much about the Apple Watch, so I can't really say much, but it says it includes the Apple Watch, the band, and the USB Type-C charger cable. Power adapter sold separately, so be careful with that, guys. And oh, this is pretty cool, dudes. Oh, cool. Wait a minute. Ah, this is so cool. Oh my god. This is my iPad. Say hello, iPad. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, my iPad ran out of battery. Hello. Either way. See, it has these little tabs here. I guess you just... Oh, okay. Tab 1 removed. Tab 2 removed. There go my glasses. Ah. Okay, you get some instructions here. This is the one with the band. Oh, cool. Interesting. I'm not really sure. Oh, one is for short and one is for big. Oh, there it is. The band. And I can't pull it out because I suck. I don't know if I'm even doing it right. Yep, there's the band. Anyways, you people know what the band looks like, so why even bother? And this would be the band thing. Alright, let's get to the real deal. This is it right here. And wow, here's the back, the sensor. Here's the dial. And I'm not sure what that is. I guess that's where you connect it to. No, wait, this is wireless charging. This must be for the cellular phone thingy, my Bob they were telling me about. Wow, this is nice. This is where you put the band thing in. Like I said, guys, I'm new to this, so I won't know. There's the speaker on the side, if I'm not mistaken. And hopefully this thing is fingerprint proof. Yeah, that's the watch. This in here would be the instructions, you know. And then this right here is the wireless charger. Oh boy. All hands on deck. Sorry about that shakiness. But this is the wireless charger. Nice. And it's USB Type-C. So, as you know, yesterday I did the unboxing of this Anchor that has two USB Type-C ports. So I'm going to connect... this is USB Type-C for the iPad, and so is that. Whoops. Yeah. Anyways, with this whole unboxing mess, I turned the popular Apple product into a horrible unboxing mess, but that was today's YouTube episode. Tune in tomorrow for tomorrow's YouTube episode, which would be the iPhone and activation and setup with T-Mobile. And then next week that's coming up, I'm going to be getting the charger from Anchor, the base charger. Even though I did the unboxing a couple weeks ago of this one, which is wireless charging, but I saw the Anchor one that does all the chargings. It charges my Pixel Buds or the iPhone AirPods on the base, and it also has a thing for standing your iPhone to wireless charge, and the iWatch at the same time, which I'll put it here next to my Google Home Hub. And always remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe, guys. See you on the next video tomorrow. Because I've been buying so many things from Apple. It's one after another of unboxing episodes.